Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you a prompt that you can use. I'll paste the prompt below, and you can use this prompt to map out a $5,000 a month income stream using affiliate sites. So I'll explain exactly what's in the prompt, and I'll obviously show you the output, and then you can grab this prompt, modify it and use it yourself. Now, just a few things about this prompt. It's not a $5,000 a month plan guaranteed. Obviously I can't do that, but what I can do is show you how to map out a plan, map out the exact way of doing it, and then it will give you a really good base that I'll explain how to use and what you need to then use AI for to expand on some of these points. So I'll get straight into the plan. If you enjoy this, do give us a like, do subscribe if you're interested in building income streams using AI. If you're looking for something easier and quicker, do check out the link in the description. It will take you through to this page. I'm hosting a webinar that in short will give you a simple 2-hour income stream, something you can set up super fast. It's what I'd do if I needed money tomorrow. So do check that out. It's below in the description, and the video will explain everything you get there. Super fast and super easy. Okay, let's have a look at this prompt. So as I say, it's to design a realistic data-driven roadmap that scales a mini portfolio of affiliate content sites to $5,000 a month within 6 to 8 months, then positions them for flipping on Flipper. It's going to pick out red hot niches, but it's going to pull fresh keywords and search engine result page data under 90 days old from Ahrefs, SEMrush and Google Trends. It's going to give you a short list of niches that meet this criteria, over 30,000 searches a month. It's also keyword difficulty is below 18 and on SEMrush 35, rising or breakout. So it's just picking out niches that are good, that get searches but without a huge amount of competition. Then it's going to output a table giving you all the information. It's going to give you ultra promising examples. Then it's going to go through the second thing and give you money, keywords and a content silo as well. Again, you're going to have to expand on this, but I'll show you and how to expand. Then it's going to give you an affiliate offer stack. All that means is it's going to give you recommended affiliate products to promote, so you don't even have to go and find them. It's got the keywords. It's going to give you some really good products that will pay well for those keywords. And then it's got a 90-day SEO sprint that will cover on-page SEO, link building, and even age domains and the WP stack, WordPress stack, the plugins that you can use and so on to make it easier. Again, you can expand on that. Then it's going to give you monetization and exactly how it recommends doing that, a site flip playbook and when to flip, a timeline, budget and KPI dashboard, which again you want to modify, but it gives you something to build off, and then risk mitigation and fast track hacks to speed everything up. So let's have a look at the prompt, or rather the results of the prompt, and I'll explain each one and where you should expand and so on. So the first thing it's done is sort of giving us this executive summary. The roadmap outlines a strategic plan to scale a portfolio of affiliate content sites to a net profit of $5,000 per month within 6 to 8 months, positioning them for a lucrative 30 times income flip. Now bear in mind, with this prompt, what you want to do is just enter the number that you want to make per month, because this plan will not make you $5,000 a month. Okay, let me be really clear on that, because there tends to be confusion on YouTube and so on. You can't go into AI or anything else and say map me out a guaranteed plan and then go and implement it and guarantee yourself that amount. But what it can do is map out the main points that will give you a good grounding to get to that money amount. All I'm saying, simple version, is of course it's not a guaranteed $5,000 a month plan. It's giving you the foundation, it's giving you ideas, it's giving you niches, it's giving you keywords, and it's giving you a good base to go backed on data that is pulled from from the search engines and from keyword tools to get there. So do understand that. But anyway, there's any plan you start out, you need to have a target and you need to have a timeline, ideally. Otherwise it's not a plan, it's just wishing. So there you go. There's the amount and there's the timeline. Adjust that based on what you're looking to do. The other thing I recommend that you do with this prompt is ask exactly how you want to do it. For this one, I actually said affiliate sites and flipping. But if you're going to do it through pay-per-click or Facebook ads or whatever you're doing, or YouTube, you'll obviously want to position the prompt to that as well. And then it's given me some niche ideas based on recent data from Ahrefs, SEMrush and Google Trends. The following 10 niches meet all the specified criteria, and that is, we explored the criteria before. It's low on keyword difficulty, but gets a lot of searches. Where the niches are competitive, you'll obviously want to go into keywords that target like weight loss coaching rather than just weight loss programs and so on. But you've got some good niches here. AI productivity tools, massive at the minute. DIY solar kits, gut health supplements, remote work software, weight loss programs, crypto trading platforms, eco-friendly home products, online learning platforms, home fitness equipment and personal finance tools. And it's given you an idea on keywords. It's given you an idea on the cost per click, so how if you were paying for the traffic, how much it would cost you. And it's given you an idea of the trend in 24 months. You know, what's it doing? Like, is it rising, or is it absolutely like breakout here, really starting to take off? So there's some ideas, and it's also giving you whether it's seasonal or not, and so on. You don't have to use those niches. The best thing at this point is, if you got niches from AI that you didn't like, ask for more around the same criteria. But there you go. You've got some really good niches. Now, the next thing is money, keywords and content silos. So it's picked out for the top 3 niches. You could obviously ask for the other ones. You've got informational posts, review posts, and you've got the best of posts. You would also have like versus posts on there between the products. That would work well. But the best thing to do with these money, keywords and content silos is expand on them. Once you've got the niches that you like, you take that and you put in another prompt saying, look, map out the exact keywords to use for this niche area and base it. And it would be good if you could use ChatGPT 4.5, because it will search the web for you and come up for keywords that will be good. Then you've got the affiliate offer stack, nice and simple. This is just some affiliate offers out there that you can promote as an affiliate, and it will give you the payout type. Obviously check that with the site as well, but some good ideas for AI. Productivity tools, DIY solar kits, and you've got the here, this is just for the top 3 cost. You've got the network direct, share a sale, GoAF Pro, and then obviously check the payout type as well. But there's some good affiliate stats. If you're not sure where to put them with your keywords, you can actually say, okay, which affiliate offer shall I put in this content piece? There's gut health supplements as well, and so on. So you could find more by focusing in on one area or expanding on what is given you. Okay, now it's given you number 4, a 90-day SEO sprint. It talks about on-page optimization, link building, technical setup and content. What you want to do with these, because it's a large area definitely, is with your SEO templates. Implement structured templates incorporating schema markup, frequently asked questions, specification tables and NLP optimized content to enhance search visibility. What you definitely do to get that as templates is then copy that and say, look, give me the templates that I can use for this around these keywords, and then use the clusters that is given you and build the templates with AI, and then make sure the content's really good and unique and good quality. Link building strategy, the same thing. You take this and expand on it as a step-by-step plan. Technical setup, age domain. You could go this route. It gives me some more information on that. I wouldn't worry too much about an age domain. WordPress stack is giving you some recommendations for the theme and so on, and you could obviously expand on that as well. Then it's giving you an idea of weekly output, long form reviews, and 7 informational posts per week. And then even hire content writers at a rate, and it give you an idea. You could also do that as well. Then you've got monetization and conversion rate optimization. Again, it's talking about, you know, how to get more click-throughs. So comparison tables, more likely to click. Exit intent pop-ups might damage SEO a little bit. Two-step opt-in and split testing. But again, if you wanted to find more monetization and conversion rate optimizations, you could ask for more. Okay, give me what should I have on this page? The same with this, the site flip playbook, flip criteria. It's saying initiate the site flipping process once a site consistently earns $2,000 per month for 3 months. But what you could do is, if you wanted to do it before then, you can just ask, look, how can I flip this now? Okay. And then it's given me a rough idea of timeline, budget, and KPI dashboard. So key performance indicators of when I've reached that goal, the traffic revenue and milestones, and that's when to take it with a pinch of salt. The reason being is not because it's wrong, but because it's unproven. Meaning this will give you a plan to start putting into place. Use it as a guide and use this to build out your own plan. So it's talking about cost here of hiring the writers. What you want to do is map out that plan. Just because you're getting started and building the sites out, you have to base it on what's happening with SEO and the rankings as you go forth and start doing this. Okay, so just bear that in mind. You'll definitely want to take the timeline, budget, and KPIs and adjust them to what's happening. I recommend adjusting them to your goals, and then as you get started, saying to AI, look, this has happened, can you adjust that on the KPI dashboard and the timeline report? Okay, and then it's got just the next bit here, with, you know, going into week 25 to 32, same thing, and giving you a sort of example KPI report and traffic revenue milestones. But again, you want to adjust that based on what you're doing. And then you've got risk mitigation and fast track hacks. That's just talking about, you know, quick things you can do, like YouTube shorts, diversifying, okay, like you know, pivot to Pinterest and Reddit for additional traffic streams. They're just ideas that, again, you'll want to, if you are going to do it, you'll want to expand on these. Okay, so if you wanted to diversify into Reddit, get a full plan using AI. Action checklists and resource stack, so spreadsheets, SEO keyword tracker template, affiliate offer database, outreach template, and so on. And you can use AI to get them. So you give me the SEO keyword tracker template and so on, and make me the spreadsheet, and you can do that. And then it's got bonus 10 aged domains available, and it's given me one, so I wouldn't worry too much about there. But there's a full plan that then what you can do, or the best way to look at it, is to take these sort of overviews and then expand on each part. So as you go through step by step, the summary fit in with your goals, so don't just use this one, you can then edit it to your goals. With the keywords and the niches, pick one out and then focus in on those keywords. And it's good to use 4.5 because, as I say, it will back it up with real data out there as well. And then with the affiliate tools that you're promoting, you can obviously adjust that and just expand on those areas and adjust the monthly goals to whatever you want. So that's exactly how to build out a plan for your goals, precisely how you want it, based on what you're going to do, what you're going to focus on. Give it a go. Give that prompt a go, especially for affiliate sites. Let me know how you get on. And do check out the Roman Road income stream, 2 hours to set up, really good income stream. Check that out in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.